Today, we'll be learning how to deadhead roses and flowers. It only takes a minute, and the results are huge. We need to disinfect our pruners first. I'm using a Clorox wipe. Please be very careful not to cut your fingers while you're disinfecting your pruners. Take the spent bud, work your way down to the nearest stem that has 5 leaves on it. Cut about 1/4 inch above the 5 leaflet leaf. Make the cut about 45-degree angle, sloping away from the bud. We are going to make the cut. Now, really, this video is for people that don't have a whole lot of time to garden. I'm not going to spend more than 5 minutes deadheading a rose bush. I'm going to go to the nearest spent bloom, go down to the nearest node underneath the bloom, and cut it off at about a 45-degree angle. And that's it. But really, most of the time, I don't even do that. I'll just cut off the spent bloom. And they grow back just fine. This video is from the time I previously deadheaded. You can see the new shoots and the new buds growing. We are going to disinfect our pruners each time we move from one rose bush or flower to a new rose bush or flower. Alright, we have 7 rose bushes to go. Let's get to it. The roses I'm cutting now still have the rose petals on them, but I'm going to go ahead and cut them off anyway because they're close to falling off. If you want to keep your garden looking neater, you can also collect the deadhead spent blooms that you're cutting off into a cup or bucket. But for me, I feel like it takes a little bit of time and effort to do that, and I just don't feel like it. So that's why I'm letting them just fall on the ground. I just want to add that this is my style of gardening. This is the way I like to enjoy my gardening process, and I don't think there's one way to do this. I'm sure the internet will tell you 5 to 10 different ways to deadhead roses, and they're all going to work. Find what works best for you, and hopefully I've been able to share my process and enjoy seeing it from my point of view. And there's also more than one way to disinfect your pruners, and I'll add that info in the description. We're going to deadhead these flowers the same way we've been deadheading these roses. I like to take these rose petals that are about to fall off and pour them over Buddha's head. And here's an offering to Buddha. This year has been particularly bad for pests in my rose bushes. A number of leaves have holes chewed in them. I keep finding lots and lots of Japanese beetles, and I've been trying to handpick them every day in the afternoons and in the morning when I can. And here's a Japanese beetle right in the middle of my rosebud. I've been collecting the beetles every morning, and in the afternoon, I drop them in a cup of water mixed with soap. They're really kind of neat to look at, but they've been eating up everything in my garden, and they have to go.